Viewers, amid the speculation over the distribution of the portfolios in Maharashtra, BJP has clearly communicated to its ally Mahayuti partners that it will not compromise on the finance and home ministries. Sources say BJP has denied to give away the finance and home ministries. In fact, we're learning that BJP has refused to give the finance ministry to the Ajit Pawar faction. Meanwhile, the home ministry is also being denied to the Shiv Sena. Amid speculations after the appointment of the CM of Maharashtra being appointed and the deputy CMs being appointed, all the focus now is on the distribution of portfolios. However, the BJP has clearly communicated to its allies and its Mahayuti partners that it will not be compromising on the finance and home ministries. Do note that the finance and home ministries are key portfolios that are coveted by not only the BJP but its Mahayuti alliance partners, that's your Shiv Sena and NCP as well. Now, sources have said that BJP has denied to give away these very important portfolios of ministry, finance and Ajit Pawar faction. In fact, the BJP has denied to give away the finance ministry to the Ajit Pawar-led faction and the home ministry to the Shiv Sena. Would this cause a little bit of a tussle between the partners? That's something that we have to wait and watch. But the latest on the portfolio allocation in Maharashtra, we learned that the BJP will not be giving away the finance and the home ministry portfolios to either of its Mahayuti partners. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Meenakshi, who's joining us live from Mumbai. Meenakshi, help us really understand now that the BJP has denied giving away the finance portfolio and the home ministry portfolios to either of its Mahayuti partners. How is that likely to pan out? Will there be a likely tussle between them now?
Well, Priyanka, the Mahayuti Alliance formally took charge of the Maharashtra government in a grand ceremony Thursday, as we saw with Devendra Fadnavis as the chief minister and Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar as his deputies. The cabinet expansion is expected on December 11 or December 12, source told us. We are getting information from top sources that BJP clearly communicated to both Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde, no finance to Ajit Pawar and no home ministry to Eknath Shinde. A lot of coordination needs to be done with the center and the home ministry due to the situation regarding Naxals in the state. So, someone who handle home ministry, they has to communicate with center, with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar are pushing for the same number of ministries they had in the previous government. In the previous government, we saw that finance ministry was with Ajit Pawar. That's why Ajit demanded that only. But it's not going to Ajit Pawar as sources told us. Power-led NCP is also eyeing other portfolios such as agriculture. The ministers will take oath once the portfolio allocation is finalized. The council ministers is likely to be sworn in before the winter session of the assembly in Nagpur. But it's clear that BJP communicated Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar that they are not going to give home ministry and finance ministry as well, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. Priyanka, back to studio.
Thank you, Meenakshi, for those details coming in with regard to the rejig in the portfolio allocation for Maharashtra.